Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to the development of something. Say these words with your English voice. Evolve. Evolve. This is to develop or make something develop, usually gradually. Progress. Progress. This is to develop and improve skills, knowledge, etc. Old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. This is to describe something as old, not modern, from long ago. Advance. Advance. This is to move forward, making discoveries and inventions. Develop. Develop. This is to make something new, such as a product. Wish. Wish. This is to want a situation that is different from the one that exists. Discovery. Discovery. This is the act of finding something that had not been known before.